This greenhouse is relied on the solar energy. When we use it, the indoor temperature is much higher than the outdoor. It's used for different crops dehydrate perfectly. To increase the sunlight covering area, the greenhouse structure is camber design. And the material is hot-dipped galvanized steel. It's great performance in the heat resistance and anti-rust. The covering material is polycarbonate sheet regularly. Durability and insulation performance is better than the others. The humidity will be increased accordingly when crops' moisture is evaporated in the air. So the greenhouse is equipped with the ventilation windows or negative fans. Then you could adjust the inside temperature or humidity. This is the drying shelf. The dimension, material could be customized for you. Besides this, we also could provide the drying tray for you. At night or in the winter, there is also the heater to increase the inside temperature. The dryer's outer shell filters ultraviolet rays to retain the product's natural color. The system is entirely powered by solar panels. The dryer uses the sun's power as its main source, and the air circulating fans inside the unit can be powered by solar panels. This is an efficient, decentralized, cost-effective and sustainable solution, which reduces food waste and carbon emissions.